So I put the screen down for a reason, but this should be the least of your worries when you're hopping on the rower machine. So let's go from bottom to the top. So this right here is your foot pad. These straps right here, you want them right across the widest part of your foot. If you want to know why, watch this video right here. Moving forward, you got the handlebars right here. If you do not have this piece right here that holds it, if yours is like this, that's okay, it's still the same. All what you're going to do is you want your knuckles straight forward. Grab it or your knuckles are straight forward. You also do not want to deft grip it. Let's move forward to the okay, now moving to the damper settings. All right, this is the most important piece of the machine rower. All right, this is where a lot of y'all mess up at. Please do not put it at a 10. Please do not put it at a 1. This controls basically how hard or how easy that you row. From 1 through 10, 1 being the easiest, 10 being the hardest. All right, if you want to know more about in depth on what you should be at or why, just know males, we should be around about a 5 or 6, and females should be around like a 4 or 5. So there you go. Now you want to pull the screen down. Now that you're ready to set up, just do everything like I just told you. Feet go in. Grab it. All right. You want your back to be straight. You don't want to be hunched over. You want your back to be straight. Tension already on the cable. Arms loose. Next thing you know, now when you start, you want to push with your legs, followed by your body, and with your arms. And then with your arms. The handlebar should be right below your chest, and then all what you do is the reciprocal when you return. So it's arms, body, legs, legs, body, arms, arms, body, leg. Now, when you move, you don't want to bend your knees until the handlebar comes across your knees. Once the handlebars is across the knees, then you bend. So push, pull, push, recover, push, recover. Now, last part is the breathing. When you breathe, you want to push out when you push back and suck the air, and you want to suck the air in when you're recovering or when you're coming in, which makes sense. So like this, breathe in. Okay, so I'm gonna breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. The most thing I see wrong when people's trying to do the rower is they try to like bring the handlebars all the way back to the machine. And they are pretty much like this. Hunched over like this. That is wrong. You go as your mobility allows. So I got poor ankle mobility, so this is as far as I'm gonna go. As you can see, I'm in a nice upright position, chest is up, looking directly at the screen, knuckles are forward, straps is against the widest part of my foot, tension the cable, and I push. All right, now when I recover, I'm only gonna go back to that position. I'm not gonna go all the way here. So if I start it right here, I'm gonna end right here. As you can see, my heels are not, as you're going, my heels are not coming off the platform. I'm keeping all that power as I row. And that's basically it, nice and simple. So if you have any more questions, or if you want me to break anything down much more further, all you gotta do is just leave a comment. I will reply to you, and let's keep it moving.